Jillian's 21st birthday! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm pretty sure you have to twist it.
I think you have to twist it. Let us take a closer look at the champagne bottle. I think we need help. Watch it go.
Can you twist it? Yeah, sure.
Sarah's turn. She's legally 21. And now Julian is.
It's a challenge right here, guys. Oh, I get it.
Careful.
You have to it's like, look at it, it's like bottled up inside. You have to try really hard. Is there any way we can pop it, drop it, lock it?
I'll try.
Yeah, I think Heidi. Oh, I got it. Oh, you just did. Julian, you want to do it? Will it come off? Maybe. Just go like that.
Careful, don't do it that way.
Try. Do I need do it with your finger?
They always push it really hard.
Like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Bring in your 21st. No, you can do it.
Yeah, you do it like that.
Come on, first. Ready? And... It's not even gonna